Talk 25, Cutting Tools. Today we talk about cutting tools. Examples: chisels, saws, knives, axes. You may think these tools are safe. Many have used them at home since childhood. 3 key points. Keycap 1. Cutting tools cause many injuries. These happen at work and at home. As DIY work increases, injuries rise too. Keycap 2. Only the person using the tool can prevent injury. How you use the tool makes the difference. Keycap 3. Tools are safe when used correctly. Most accidents happen because people ignore simple rules. Knives. Cut away from your hand and body. Keep the knife sharp. Don't use extra force, control is essential. Chisels. Never hold the workpiece with your hand. Use a support instead. Push the chisel carefully. Avoid contact with your other hand. Axes. Mind your position at all times. Keep both feet firm. Always cut away from the body. Ensure enough space for movement. Keep the axe sharp. Hand saws. Can injure hands and thumbs. Saw may jump at the start. Guide the saw with your thumb straight. Prevents skin contact and serious cuts. Remember, it's easy to get hurt with hand tools. It's equally easy to avoid injury. Always handle tools correctly.